So a very good morning. I think that I am totally visible to you all. So in this video I'll be discussing a detailed explanation about the program included. So based upon what the program is included, we should have to know what is the program. So अगर हम एक ट्री के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो फिर कैसे देखकर जान पाएंगे? Unless and until we cannot see the fruit which has been grown on a tree, we cannot even say which tree is that. So, are you understanding what I'm saying? So in the similar fashion we will be discussing about the program included. So in the above videos, in the previous videos, I even explained a very important topics about the Khilafat movement, about the non-cooperation movement, which has been included a vital role in playing or in demoralizing, or we can say that in extracting out the British officers from the from their governed power. So this is what the video is all about. So in this video I am discussing a detailed explanation about the program included and the different how the movement has been spreaded. Okay, this is also plays a very important role. So let me explain the program included, what the program usually included in this chapter. So one is boycott the government schools and colleges. So schools and colleges means in the British government, in the British period, the British officers usually give or had more preference to education. That's the most important point which I am going to stick on. So why? So that's the reason why they usually started boycotting what? Boycotting the schools and colleges. Okay, schools and colleges start to boycott. Then after, it is decided to set up a national school and colleges. So unless and until the boycott has been occurred, so it formulates, it takes an taken a route to form what? It taken a route to form national school and colleges. Okay, this is also you should have to make an important about that. Then after, boycott of law courts and establish the panchayat for settlement of disputes. Okay, so under the government, under their ship, under their governmentship of Britishers, they usually had no extensibility of taking, means giving the revenue to the Indians. They are only here to extract the revenues whatever generated in India. That's the key aspect which I usually sticks into that. That's the reason why I even had said started boycotting the law courts and establishing the panchayat. This also plays a very important role. Then after, non-payment of government taxes. Okay, so usually taxes which has been implemented on different fields of their rulership, of their leadership, of the democratic in India, what they had done, they have even started boycotting what? The non-payment of government taxes. Okay, then after, what happened? Then after it includes resignation from the government. We can say that what includes, so some of the government officers who have been working under their democratic ship, under their officership, they even started resigning. Means it's the motto of the program which has been included in the 1920 March, you can say that, because in the year of 1920 usually two movements has been taken place. One is Khilafat movement and the non-cooperation movement. Okay, this is also you should have to understand. That's the reason why I have been including the different programs which has been included here. So that's also plays a very important role in that. So then after, boycott of foreign class, promotion of hand spinning and weaving. So usually when the foreigners, we can say that when the Western education start to implement in our country, they even had given more preference to machines. So hand labor get decreased at the time of their rulership, we can say that. So that's the reason why most of the employees who are been working in different factories which has been established by British officers, that leads to what happened, that it leads to different unparallelism in the economy generation for the poverty people, we can say that. That's the reason why it has generated a hand looming and spinning technology and the period, right? So in the similar fashion, condemnation, remuneration of untouchability also takes place. So it also have given a lot of preference to the renovation and untouchability. Then after maintaining common entity, you will know that amenity. Then after strict observance of non-violence, that's the main reason of the movement which has been taken place in the 1920, or we can say the 20th century. So I think you have understood the program included. Then after we'll be reading about spread of movement. What is the first phase of spread of movement? The first phase is that for March, yeah, from March from January to March of 1921, the main emphasis of the movement was to boycott of government schools. That's the reason what I have already shown in the chapter. Then after, thousands of school students, after thousands of students left. Okay, I will be giving the numbers. Okay, this is the main important first number. You can say that first number I have already mentioned here. So thousands of students left schools and colleges and joined the national movement. Okay, or we can say the national schools. Then after, making leaders laws like R.M. Das, Motilal Nehru, C. Rajagopalacharya, Sardar Patel, Safif Ali, T. Prakash, etc. quit their practices. Thus, the reason means many government officials have resigned their post from the governments in which they have been working. That's the main point. That's the main important aspect of publishing the video which I am going to publish, or in the first phase generation of the movement. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be saying about the second movement which is taken place. Okay, thanks for watching the video.